What is the famous book written by R.N. Tagore? Options: Gitanjali, Anupama, Godhuli, Annapurna. Answer: Gitanjali. Famous IIT coaching place in India: Ernakulam, Kota, Karnataka, Jaipur. Answer: Kota. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Rahul Gandhi, Amit Shah, Modi, Nitish Kumar. Answer: Modi ji. Our Prime Minister Modi ji will start which term in 2024? First, second, third, fifth. Answer: third term. Which coalition party is forming the government in 2024? NDA, NCP, TDP, India. Answer: NDA. Who is the second most powerful minister after Modi ji? Nitish Kumar, Amit Shah, Mayawati, Rajnath Singh. Answer: Amit Shah. Where is the swearing in ceremony takes place? Options: Lal Killa, Rajghat, Janpat, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Answer: Rashtrapati Bhavan. What is the age of our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji? 73, 80, 65, 75. Answer: 73 years. Our Prime Minister Modi ji is from which party? BJP, BJD, Janata Dal, NCP. Answer: BJP party. Which is the major opposition party in India? Congress, TDP, Janata Dal, RJD. Answer: Congress.